Fixed copy and forwarding is not allowed on Telegram. So let's start. So first, go ahead on your Telegram application. Make sure you are all logged in to see if the issue has occurred on your application. So what you can do next is, if the issue still occurs, so what you can do next is to go home on your phone and go to App Store and go to your Telegram. So make sure that your Telegram is updated. So if you haven't updated your app yet, so there will be option that you can update, so you can click on the update button. So in this case, it's only open button that's available, so it means that your application is updated. So next step is go home on your main menu. So go to your main menu again and click on the settings. Type in the Telegram. So you just have to check the background refresh app and you have to toggle that on. So you just have to go and do that. And next you have to go back to the main settings and check on, scroll down a little bit, and then click on the general. So in the general you have to find the iPhone storage, and there you can find your Telegram account. So you just have to scroll down and find the application, and if you want to offload the app you can do so, or you can delete it. So next thing you can do, if you already delete it, is to reinstall it again, and then try to visit your Telegram account again to see if problem has occurred again. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.